Hello, today I wanted to take you through a new event feature that you may or may not have noticed on GeniusU. So I have opened up an event that is under my profile, so an event that I'm running on GeniusU. And you'll see we have the usual welcome page that you can upload. This is once I've clicked into the event. You've got the detail page of the event, which is what you may see if you haven't uploaded a welcome page. Oh, let it load. Where you've actually got the details. The discussion page where people could be posting questions or interacting with you. You've obviously got the share button, you've got the regular manage button, you can manage your tickets, etc. You can go into attendees, which already existed, where you can see actually who's coming to the event. And then the new feature is this events dashboard, which you can actually go in and get real-time analytics on your event. So here is the event dashboard. You can see it's got all the details on net and gross sales, number of tickets sold, number of invites sent from the page. You can actually set targets of how many tickets you want to sell. Here, the goal was 5,300, so only 2% reached, but you can actually see how many were paid and how many were free here as well. Down below, you can see a timeline with a graph of how many tickets are getting sold at any point. And you can actually drag a section and it'll open up and give you more details. You can filter by ticket type, so you'll see this event has a number of different ticket types. And you can actually go into those and manage the tickets and download the CSV of the tickets, so see what attendees have bought what tickets. You can then search by ticket buyer. So maybe you know that you need to make an account note on someone's ticket, or you need to add a guest to their ticket. You can actually search in there. And when I go in here, I can actually manage the ticket. You see, I can see the ticket buyer, the quantity, the kind, how much they paid. And then I'm going to pick on higher up so that it's, there we go. And then I can actually resend them a confirmation email if I have that tag to it. I can add an order note, so maybe they're vegan and I need to make a note of them being vegan, so I can log that. I can refund the order from this page, and I can also go into manage attendees, which would allow me to actually get the ticket, download the ticket of that guest themselves, and in some cases even add a guest if that's an option that you've selected. So that is the event dashboard as it stands today, and I just wanted to show you that so that you knew that it's something accessible to you, and when you're running events through GeniusU, you can actually get all of this management from inside the system as it is. And I can change my ticket types and stuff in here as well. So there you have it. That's the new event dashboard. I hope that it makes your event life easier.